this bottle until it get hot.
What is up, everybody? Rez back here again, and today, just like the title says, the Evo's broken, but not really. If you've noticed, I'm here with Jose. He's gonna help me out. If you notice in all my previous videos, the O2 sensor, the AFR gauge just doesn't want to work anymore. I'm pretty sure it was the touchless car wash that I went to clean the underbelly of the car. The water might have gotten in the sensor and kind of tweaked it out because it doesn't really want to work as well as it should, or it kind of goes on the fritz and then it just maxes out, so I don't think it's really working. So today that's what we're going to be doing. Jose's going to lend me a hand because I've never done it before, but I got my wideband AFR sensor, Bosch type. I got this from Glosia because that's the kind of AFR gauge that I have, so hopefully we'll be able to do it, knock it out really quickly. But let's get right to it. So here we are under the car, trying to figure out why it's so far from where it needs to be. Kind of blew my mind too, honestly.
That guy right there.
Is that the cat right there?
This one?
Yeah.
Right,
is that like a little mini?
Supposed to be, yeah, it looks like a high flow cat.
Yeah, like a little mini high flow.
Yeah.
And like a resonator right there.
Yeah, that's definitely resonating in the back.
Yeah, I was just trying to see if it had the stock downpipe, or I don't think so. It looks pretty.
Oh yeah, no, this is aftermarket.
It looks like a straight pipe, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
There's no cat other than the little.
That looks like a little high flow.
Yeah, that's.
You want help with me? Maybe I can grab it from my side. Pull it. I have some wrenches in the back too. What size is that though?
It should be like a 22.
Oh shit! I don't think I have that. You got it?
Yep. It's just the first. Ah, shit. Then you get those pliers or the tweezers or something, or like the little cutter thingies.
A little vice grip thingy. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Do you have some on you here?
I think I might have some in the back. Just like usual, my camera seems like it's about to die soon.
Really?
But yeah, it's like every time I come over.
Yeah.
But I think we should be good. It's not gonna take too long, I don't think.
No, we're pretty much done. Is it disconnected up there?
It's not disconnected, but I can go ahead and disconnect it right quick. So this is where it's connected here on this side, and then I'm gonna go show you guys right now where they have it up top. So come around the car, and it's right over here. Boom. Front lip, don't mind that. I'm gonna be putting this in right after, but it's right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right underneath there. Let's go ahead and disconnect. Right into our first issue. That's that sensor. We got it out and everything, but it's not really fitting through the little. You can't even see in there. It's so tight. But here, I'll shine the light for you guys. But right in there, it comes out through right there, and it's such a tight fit. We're gonna try to pull this cable through, but we're actually just gonna end up cutting it on the other side and then kind of pushing the new cable in, hopefully without damaging anything. But that's what Jose's doing right now. He's just cutting the wire. It is busted anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We're cutting it near the sensor part, so if I need to use this this other half or something in the future, I can always just reuse that connection or that wire. Get to it. Bit of a tight squeeze down here, but me and Jose are down here. We just put the new sensor, we plugged it up. Now what we're doing is he is running the zip ties back to where it was previously. We finally got it through that little hole there. You can barely see it, but it's right there. But it's a tight squeeze under here, but we're making it happen. Pretty much just done here, just tightening everything up, and then hopefully when we turn it on, it works. Because that would be a bummer if it didn't. But oh well, let's get right to it. Jose putting in work. Alright, so we're just about done here. Jose's just tightening it down in there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in here, and we should be good. So fingers crossed. Let's plug this thing up right here. Hear the little click. It's plugged in. You got it good there? Yep. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start it here once you get out of the underneath the car.
Yes, I appreciate that.
Yeah, I'd rather have you out from underneath there. Whew. Let's see.
That's enough for today.
Because I'm pretty sure it's gonna roll back too.
A little bit.
Well, because the e-brake's not the best.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go ahead and start it for the first time.
Nothing?
Well, it's like doing something. Now it's yeah, it looks like it's, because when it was fucked up, it was staying at like the 20, but now it's like actually like reading the right, yeah. So that was it. Thanks, Jose, again. I could not have done it without you, literally. Never done this before. He kind of like walked me through it. Now I can definitely do it on my own. But he was a great help. So we're just gonna let the car warm up. We'll back up here. I'm gonna back up right quick. Ooh, that face though. Move the ramps out the way. But yeah, the real test will be when we're full throttle, if it's reading right. But thank you guys for tuning in. We're about to put this front lip on. I don't know if I'll make a video. I probably won't. It's like little simple stuff, but you guys already know what to do. Thank you, Jose, again. In a few years, if he's not fully booked, he might be able to tune your car. But we're working through it here. See you guys next week. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.
Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.